Dave from the Redneck Garage. Well, I promised you a video of the Toyota pickup truck, but first, I've been walking a lot more because I'm trying to work off this fat that's like coming up under my chin and here. So here was my visit to Kroger. I'm trying to walk a little bit more, so I walk from my house down here. It's probably like half a mile, so trying to get rid of this chin. How much turkey gravy do you think they're gonna sell before this stuff expires? One thing that I am very proud of my local Kroger for is they hire the handicapped. That's right, you heard me. They hire the handicap, Eric the handicap. What? Here's the problem with U-Scan is there's too many people that don't know how to use it. So then, especially when it's busy, you get in line and you stand there for 30 minutes, like behind this woman, who's taken at least 30 minutes to get checked out with her 12 items. Eric was not that happy, but he's not a subscriber, so he'll never see it anyway, so who cares? Today I wanted to talk for a minute about the Toyota pickup truck, the project that I just have not done anything with, but now I'm motivated again to get this baby put back together. Sometimes you just get in the middle of a project and you just lose interest in it, or some other things take precedent, like COVID and not dying, but this thing is hung around way too long, and I love this truck way too much to let it just sit here and not get finished. So we're going to be repainting. Now, when I did the painting on it originally, the paint actually turned out pretty nice, but there was one spot on there that I was like, what in the heck is this? Also, I felt like this was a little bit too yellow. I had Chevrolet white on it before, and I thought that was a little bit too white, and this color I'm not that happy with. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and repaint the whole stinking thing again. I'm going to order a gallon of paint and shoot it again. The bed is beautiful. The bed turned out flawless. I love this fiberglass. No rust, no anything. The bed liner in the back was beautiful. Tailgate, awesome. Just need to clean it up. But I plan on going ahead and painting this again with a little bit more of a lighter white than this yellowy white. The fenders had a couple little runs in them. With the issues that I've had with the Toyota paint and the color that I didn't really like, and let me show you this. This was trippy. I did the hood, and I was looking at it the other day. The hood and the cab were finished, but there's like some kind of bubble or something here. I'm not really sure what it is. It's weird, like it isn't adhering. I'm going to go ahead and sand this down, reshoot it again. It's going to be a little bit whiter. This kind of, to me, this looks a little green, brown. I don't like it. Because the interior is gray. I was like, that's not going to match with the crap. So I'm going to try to get something that's a little bit more of the factory finish. So if you watch the channel for very long, I've had a spray booth 1, spray booth 2, spray booth 3, spray booth 4. They've all been modified tents with some kind of plastic hanging off the side or some freaky thing like that. I've had this tent up here. It's gotten all moldy. It's nasty. It's ready to be thrown away, to tell you the truth. But I've got to get this Toyota painted. One of the challenges painting back here, there's an apple tree above it. I'm going to trim some of those limbs off, but there's still crap that falls into the paint. So I took my trusty tape measure and measured. And indeed, I have room for a 20 by 10 by 8 foot high inflatable spray booth. And so I can use that to paint the Toyota pickup truck, the blue TJ before I sell it, and also the new JK, like some parts for that. So I'm really excited about that. It's got a filtration system. It'll keep crap from going into it. So that'll be something that's coming up on the Redneck Garage, is that spray booth system. I think is going to really turn out to be super cool. Now, I do have one thing to do. I got to get back here and clean all this crap up. Liam, my assistant, was helping me the other day, and I've got him from next door. He's going to help, and we're going to get this straightened up, cleaned up, and get ready to have that spray booth. And I need to trim back some of that apple tree limbs so they don't fall onto the inflatable paint booth, but I'm pretty excited about it, to tell you the truth. Stay tuned for some more videos about the Toyota. I want to put a fork in this thing. I want it to match the gray interior though. So I got to get some materials in. I've got to get the spray booth ordered. So once we get all that in, I'm going to start prepping this thing, and we're going to shoot some paint on this pig. Keep watching. We got a lot of exciting stuff coming up now that it's going to start getting warmer. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.